Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, this is Mohsin Azam interacting with you from my YouTube channel Business Innovation. Today we are going to start our 20th lesson of Excel tutorial. The topic which we will discuss in today's lesson is Excel charting. In Excel charting, first of all we will discuss Excel chart types, then chart editing, then formatting chart elements, then combination of charts, then handling gaps in charts. And the number 6 advanced Excel charting, this we will discuss in upcoming lesson. Okay, so now Excel charting. First of all, how we will insert a chart in Excel. This it's a very simple. From the insert tab we have here charts, and from the charts we have all the charts, all the types of chart available here. We can insert any type of chart by selecting the data first of all, and then we can come to the charts and we can select the type of chart from here. So first of all, there are different types of charts which we can insert. Column chart is there, bar chart is there, line chart is there, area chart, combo chart, pie chart, donut chart, scattered or bubble charts. These are different type of charts. So we will start with one example. First of all, for example, if we have one table here in which we have location, and then we have sales here, and we have cumulative sales also. What I want to do, first of all, I want to plot the sales against the location. So what I will do, I will select the location and the sales. Then as we discuss, from insert we have here the chart option. From the chart we have different options here. What we will do, first we can try the recommended charts. These are the recommended charts which the Excel will suggest you based on your selected data. By clicking the recommended charts based on our selected data, Excel will give us some charts. So first of all, the first chart which Excel is suggesting is cluster chart. All the sales are plotted against the countries. The next is we have the same sales on the y-axis, but here we have the countries. Basically the sales is now here, the sales by location sum. For example, here if we see, we have repetition of location here, Russia is repeating. But in this recommended chart, the second option, Excel is giving us the sum of the sales in Brazil, in Russia and Turkey. Similarly, Excel is suggesting us as a bar chart, and then we have Pareto chart. So these are the different recommendations which we can use, depend on your choice. But now we will start with the discussion of different charts. So first of all, we select here the location and sales, and first of all what we want to do, we want to insert simple a column or bar chart. So what we will do, we will click here, and here we have different options of 2D, 3D, 2D bar. We have here two options, one is column and one is bar chart. So we can insert the column chart from here, or we can insert the 2D and 3D also. So by clicking this, the Excel will plot the location, the sales against the location. Okay, we're gonna click Ctrl Z. The next option is we have here the line chart. By clicking this option, we have different styles in 2D. By clicking any style, for example, I will click this one. So this is actually the line chart now. Same, now against the location we have sales here, but it's in the form of line. First of all, I will select the data, and then I will go to insert, and then I will select here. As we discussed the column chart, but now I will insert the 2D bar chart. So like this. Same, now location is plotted again, the sales is plotted again location. I will click delete again. I will go to insert again. The next is, so here we discuss column and bar chart. Now line chart, area chart and combo chart. So now area chart. After line chart already we discussed area chart. Now for the area chart, what we will do again, we will select the data and then we will go to here we have 3D and we have area chart also here, area in 2D and 3D. So by selecting this, so this is the area chart. Okay, after this we have combo chart. Combo chart, as the name is clear here, combo chart is the combination of more than 2 or 3 curves. For example, if you have to plot again the sales against the location, and similarly at the same time if we want to plot the cumulative sum also against the location. So here what we have to do, we have to plot the sales against the location and at the same time cumulative sale against the location. What we will do, we will select the data and here we have a option of combo chart. By clicking this, a new chart will be appear. If you see here, we have here the sales, the blue bars. So the sale here is showing as a bars and the cumulative sum is shown as a continuous line. But if you see here, the bars are very small and it's not visible properly. So here what we will do, we will click right and we will go to the change chart type. Here we have combo option, and in the combo option here we can change the bars or the range from the column to the line or from the line to the column. Here if I change this to column chart and by clicking OK, see now we have the column chart for both the series. For the sales also column chart and for the cumulative sales also we have columns, but it's not correct. What we can do, we can do the most appropriate way of dealing these two series by going to the change column type, and then what I will do, I'll go to the combo and here I will select, as it's selected here, I will select here this cumulative sales as a line, and here we have an option of secondary axis. So by clicking the secondary axis and now by clicking OK, now if you see here, we have the location on my x-axis and we have sales on my y-axis and we have a secondary axis which is for the cumulative. So like this we can create the combo charts. Now next is, we will discuss here donuts and pie chart. So we will go to the insert, and from insert here we have here the option of 2D pie chart. So this is the 2D pie chart in which we have all the location with different colors, and the distribution of all the colors is based on the sales value. What I will do, I will go to insert again, and here what we can do, we can insert the pie chart like that also, location, and this one location is further divided into different colors. So like this we can create pie chart, and we have 2D pie chart also, which is like this, and we have donut chart which we can create like that. So these are the different charts which we can create in Excel. Now the next is chart editing. So in chart editing, what we have to do, we have to select the chart and then go to design. So here by selecting any chart, a new window or two new tabs will appear here. One is chart design. In this we can change the design of the chart. Different designs are available here which we can change. So these are all the design available. And then formats. In this format we have also different options like shape, fill, all these options you can utilize here. Chart elements. Chart elements are basically the heading of the chart, or the x-axis and the y-axis and the bars and the area of the chart. These all are the elements, and many more. These are all the elements actually. Axis, chart title, data label, data table, error bar, guideline, legends, and handling. These all are the elements of the chart. So chart style and filter. Here what we have different elements which is available here also. Axes are the element. We can remove the axis from the chart, and we can, by clicking check, we can again bring the axis to the chart. We have the axis title. By clicking axis title, this axis title will appear here. We can rename it. We have the chart title. This is actually the chart title. You can check and uncheck here. Data table. By clicking, sorry, data label is, these are the labels. These are the data labels. 150, 177. These are actually the labels. You can uncheck it. You can insert the data table below the chart. This is actually sales, and these are all the sales against the country listed here in the table. We have here error bar. These are the error bar which we can bring. Grid lines. We have some lines here in the chart. If you want to remove the grid line, you can remove the grid line from here and you can bring it again. Legends. Legend is actually, this is the legend. We have only sales here, so we have the legend of sale only. If you have more than one row in the chart, then the legends will be more. And this trending, see now trending line is here, so this is actually the trend line which we can also bring. And here now see the legends are increased from 1 to 2. One is linear scale, one is trend, and one is for the sales. One thing more we will discuss here. By clicking the chart, here we have an option of styles, so we can change the chart style from here directly. And here another option which we have is filter. So if you want to filter any specific area, like for example, if you want to uncheck Brazil, if you want to hide Brazil from here, you can remove. If you want to remove Pakistan, by clicking apply, this will be removed. So this different type of filter you can also apply in the charts. Okay, so for formatting chart element, as we discuss here, that we have by selecting the chart, and we have here different type of elements, how we can edit these elements. This we will discuss here one by one. So for example, by clicking any chart, from the design also we can access this elements, and we can go to here primary horizontal and primary vertical, or we can go to the more access option. And similarly same here, from the plus sign here access, we can go to more options, and here a new window will appear. This here it is written here format access, and here we have two options. One is for the access option and one is for the text option. So for the access option, first of all we will start. Here we have access option, and in access option we have bounds here. So here we have the option of maximum and minimum. So minimum here, minimum for this is for the x-axis, as it's clear here. So minimum is the starting here is 150, and the maximum you can fix it. Instead of 200, if you want to keep it as 195, you can change it to 195. Click enter. So now the maximum is available here. Major is 10 here, so you can change to 5 also. So now see the gaps are here now 5. And here we have vertical axis crosses. So here we have the option for the axis automatic will keep on the left hand side, and you can keep it as the maximum value. So at the maximum it will shift to the right hand side. Here we have alignment. So this is the text direction. how you want to keep horizontal or vertical or rotate at 90 degree. These, see, now it's rotated to 190. These are the options you can avail. Horizontal you can keep. This is the fill option. Here if you want to keep shadow, you can keep here the shadow. These are the different type of shadows, and you can keep the color for the shadow also. And soft edge also, these are the different options which you can avail. Here the fill options are here. So fill, which type of fill you want to keep. For example, solid fill with any color. See, now the color is changed. Okay, similarly now if you want to, here we have some of the text options also, and here you can change the color of the text also. You see the color of text is also changed. The other axis you can select also, and you can change the color for the other axis also. So these are the different options for the formatting the chart elements. The next we have here the access title. By clicking here, more options. Now here we have the option format access title, and format access title we have the text title option. So for the title we have the fill. So if you want to keep the fill for the title as a, here we select the access title. So this is access title. You can change the fill for here as a shadow, or if you want to keep any shadow or the color, and here you can arrange the alignment. And for the text option also you can keep different colors. So like this you can format your access titles. The next is chart title. Chart title, first of all, here where you want to keep above, centered, or more option we have here. Now this is the format chart title. In format chart title you can change the color, and here we have title options. So title, which type of color you want to keep for the title bar, and border, which type of border you want to keep. Solid, for example, if you want to keep solid border. And here we have the alignment. Here we have the shadow and the soft edge, and all these all are all the options you can check one by one by selecting each element one by one. We have here data table option, and you can edit the data table, which is here. This is the data table, and you can change the color, the text format, and anything. And here this area, for this format plot area. Now what you can change the color to solid fill, and you can make it any color. So like this you can change the plot area. So these are the different options or procedure which you can follow to format the elements of the chart. Combination of charts. And this I will close now. In combination of chart, we will discuss here how to plot two or more series of data against a single x-axis having different units. So for example, here we have chart, location, and location, and we have sales in thousand, and we have sales person. So if you want to plot the sales in thousands and sale persons against single axis location x, how you can plot it. So here, as we discuss here, you can select the chart, the table, and you can go to insert, and where we have the option of combo chart, you can select the chart of combo. Now this is the chart. Now if you see here, we have sales in thousand in bars and sale person in a line. You can go to change chart type to change the type of the chart, and here, as we discussed, we can change this line chart to column chart, and you can shift this to a secondary axis and you can click OK. So now if you see here, we have the cells for which the values are higher, so it's on one axis, it's on the primary axis, and on the secondary axis we have the salesperson. Or if you want to change this salesperson to a line chart, so you can change here to the line chart and by clicking OK. See, now the chart is. Now we have two series plotted against the horizontal axis. One is the sales in thousand, which is on the primary axis, and one is on the salesperson, which is on the x-axis. So like you can create the combo chart like this. If you want to add one more series to this, for example, here I will write here cumulative sales, and here what I will do, click enter, and here this plus this. Now I will copy this. Now I want to add this cumulative sales to this existing chart. What I will do, I will go here to select data, and in select data we have already two series which is plotted against one horizontal axis. Now I want to add one more. So what I will do, I can edit the existing one by clicking here the edit, and I can remove the existing one by clicking the remove from here. Now I will add here by clicking here. Here I will select the series name, and now in the second area I will select the series, and then I will click OK. If you see here, now my horizontal axis are 1 2 3, which is wrong, so I will edit here, and I want to keep the horizontal axis as this one. See, now we have these three against the location. Now I will click OK. Now if you see here, we have now a new line appear in the chart, which is the cumulative sales. So like this you can add. Now I will go to the not select data, I will go to the format data, or change. You can go to the format plot area also to change the format or anything, but here I will go to the change chart type, and here I can change this to a column chart also, and by clicking OK, now see, it's converted to the column, but it's not look good because see here, now for the salesperson this line is in the bottom. So what I will do, I will go to the change chart type, and this one I will change to column, and this one I will change to line chart, and by clicking OK. See, so like this you can make the combination of charts. Handling gaps in charts. So go to select data. Here for example, if you have some gaps, like for example for the Turkey, if you don't have any data in the list, how we can handle this. For example, if you want to plot this location, sales against location, insert, and here if you want to create line chart, see, now we have the chart like this with a gap in between. So like how you can handle this gap. So what we can do, we will go to the select data, and here we have handling hidden and empty cells. So back like this, we have here the gap, show empty cells as gap, show empty cell as 0. So if you click here 0 by clicking OK, now see, it will show this as a 0, but it's not look good. What we will do, we will go to again to the select data, We'll go to hidden and empty cells, and here we will click this option, connect the data point with line, and now we will click OK. Sorry, maybe I did not select the chart. Okay, chart is selected. Now I will go to again to select data to connect the data points with line, and by clicking OK. Now see, the data points are connected. From here it's connected with the another point. So now if you enter any data here, like for example 20, the chart will be readjusted. But if you remove, so empty, it will also connected. One another option we have here. Here we will show data in hidden rows or column. Click OK, and if I want to hide this row, I will hide this. See, it's disappear from here, from the chart. Now Pakistan is nowhere in the chart, so I will click Ctrl Z. Now what I will do, I will go to the options again, select data, hidden and empty cell, and show the data in heading row and column, and by clicking OK. Now if I hide any row, it will not disappear from my chart. See, Pakistan is still here. So like this you can create, format and modify the Excel charting. That's it for today. If you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel Business Innovation and follow my Facebook page. Thanks for watching.